Hello, thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel. You're doing a great work.
And my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, as usual.
So for today, I want to give you a style that people have been asking me to do. Well, most like it has taken like 3 months, but I promised them that I'm going to do it. And this is what we're going to do. I'm going to be showing you how to do spring twist, and this is what you're going to do. First, we are going to plait our swirls going behind like that, as you can see. And on this one, make sure that the swirls you do is equivalent to that crochet you're going to use. This is very important. Then after, I'm trying to apply the anti-itchy. Yes, I apply the anti-itchy, and you're seeing the hair I'm going to use, soft Mali Kinky. It is very very nice. It gives you something very long. Yeah, your spring twist is going to be long, as you can see. So this makes it when you're trying to crochet, please don't try to be gentle. Yeah, just like that. And then when you're twisting, still you're going to twist it gently. Please, like, don't make your hands very hard. Just try to be soft, because when you try to be like hard, your hands to make it hard, your spring is not going to be strong, like it's not going to be straight. Yes, so try to be soft. And as here at Hair Zipper, what we do, we work as a team. Yes, so someone is installing and other people are going to be finishing the twisting. So this one helps us like to be our client not take a lot of time in the salon. So after finishing the twisting, you try to trim a little bit that hair that always pass through. So twisting, as I told you, try to be very very so don't make your hands very hard, yeah, because when you do it, trust me, it's not going to be very straight. Yeah, so this is how you keep on doing, and your spring twist is going to be massive. It's going to be massive. So I want to shout out all our friends who have been subscribing. Lucky in Chicago, and Judy in Abu Dhabi. Thank you, and you can tell your friends too, because they need this. They also need to learn how to play the things. Yes, because spring twist, what I know about it, is very nice, very soft, something that you can wash, you can style. It can do massive things. So I try to mix my colors, the coffee brown and black, to make it look unique. Yeah, look unique, because mostly they come in plain colors most of the times. So I'm doing this to be somewhat unique. When you finish, that's how we do. Try to trim a little bit. We keep on trimming so that it looks nice and neat. So this is how you can do your long spring twist, as you can see. Very very nice. So keep on subscribing the Hair Zipper YouTube channel for more hairstyles. We're going to be uploading them every Wednesday and Saturday. So please keep on. You can subscribe for the updates as soon as possible. So when I'm done with my spring twist, I'm going to try to arrange it, because the finishing point is the main thing. Yeah, you have to make someone look hot, like someone to feel like she's from the salon. So this is what I'm going to try to do. The skull, to do her eyebrows, something very small for the client. I'm not doing the makeup this time. I'm just doing something very small, so that she can also feel like, oh yeah, she's from the salon. Yeah, hair zipper. So here I'm trying to style something very simple for her. I'm showing you like the styles like you can be doing when you have plaited this spring twist. Yeah, you can do this. Those people who don't want things to be falling on their neck, like they want it to be like this. So if you don't want it down like falling, still you can get something like this that looks nice. Or you're going for the office, yeah, you just hold them like that. It is nice. And the other people who don't want them to fall on their face, you can still pin them from behind. You just pin them from behind, and I don't think like the pin can't show, so you leave them falling behind when they can't come back, as you can see. And there's another style like you can get from another style. Yeah, I'm telling you the truth, you can get a lot of styles in spring twists, many more. Like even I'm just getting these ones, like the simple ones, but the mob. And you can do something like this for the party. You have a party, just do like this, looking very lovely. So here I'm trying to explain to you that spring twist has got a lot of styles. So please, even if you want to hold it half puff, still it can do it. So all I want you to do, keep on subscribing the hair zipper. More hairstyles to come for you, and I'm hoping to come back here on Wednesday and Saturday to give you more of the hairstyles. So thank you for subscribing the Hair Zipper YouTube channel. We love you so much. Subscribe and we do this together. The spring twist here for you. I love you so much, and I sign out by the name of Maurice the Crochet Master. See you.
Yeah, it's Maurice the Hair Zipper, the Crochet Master. Yeah.
It's so light as a tango on the head, easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah, so styleable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl.
Yeah, it's Maurice the Hair Zipper, the Crochet Master. Yeah.
It's so light as a tango on the head, easy to maintain. You can hold the puff and move around so free. Yeah, so styleable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl. I love my looks, oh yeah. It's Crochet and twist, it's easy to maintain. It's washable, light on your head, it brings no